So in this situation, by analyzing the problem, checking the problem, you have to become, vigilant or analyze it well, just to find the exact problem. But if you decided it's just only one time pump damage or injector damage or turbo damage, if you're not sure, if you don't have any way to testing it well, maybe you can do like that, repairing it one time. So based on my analysis, we should have to remove the pump, fuel pump. But at first, they should have to check the injector. Okay. So again, this is a 950H Chevrolet. This is the serial number. Okay. So the problem, it's already found, but take time to remove.